Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys oppo phone setting guys, and today video title is guys how to turn off guys notification sound in oppo phone. Friends, you want to off guys your phone notification sound guys. You don't want to use guys your oppo phone guys notification sound. You want to off. So how to off notification sound and guys how to turn off notification ringtone. Today friends I will show you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video guys. So friends, now let's see how to off notification sound. First of all guys, you will have to on your oppo phone setting guys. So guys, we will on guys phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of interface. So how to turn off notification sound. So guys, click on guys your oppo phone sound and vibration setting. After on guys sound and vibration friends, you can see sound vibration setting will on. Vibrate on ring setting is here. Vibrate on silent mode. And friends, you can see your all volume, media volume, ringtone volume, notification and alarm volume here guys. You can adjust, you can increase and decrease from here. So guys, scroll it friends, you can see ringtone setting. Friends, you want to off your ringtone, so guys we cannot off guys oppo phone ringtone because guys we don't have any no option. So friends, now let's see notification sound guys, we want to off. So guys, you can see guys this notification non option guys. You will have to click here and friends come back. Friends, you can see we don't have notification volume guys. You can increase, you can decrease. We don't have any notification sound in oppo phone device. Friends, you can check, we don't have any notification sound. So like this guys, you can off your sound notification and guys you want to on. So I select any ringtone and guys your notification sound will on. Friends, you can see example guys, this ringtone guys we have, and friends you want to off it. So guys again click here non option, tap here to off. So friends, you can see we don't have any notification sound. So like that guys, we can turn off notification sound in oppo phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video. Before going, please go and like the video.